Welcome to another Tantrum Dissectionals, and you're probably wondering what's inside the box.
What's in the box? What's in the fucking box?
If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Tantrum9, and I am Twitch's #1 horror streamer. And speaking about Twitch, I stream Mondays through Thursdays, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. On a serious note, I've been having some serious issues with my video card lately, and I had burned out my original RTX 2080. So, luckily, I had a replacement with GTX 1080. Unfortunately, the immense awesomeness and the girthiness of the stream was just way too much for that card. So, I needed to upgrade, and that's what we're going to be unboxing today. Alright, so any self-respecting geek is going to know where this is from. So, you guys already know, aside from the obvious. It needs to be noted, you need the most massive knife in the kitchen to do the job right. There she is. Is that pretty or what? Okay, it's a little dinged up. Alright, we might have to take it out on the courier, but it's okay. All the seals are good. If only you guys knew the amount of Magic the Gathering cards that I had to sell to get this baby. My childhood was lost that day. So, got the pull tabs here. I gotta make sure I keep all this stuff just in case anything happens in the future. Keep your boxes. Seriously. Alright, we're gonna close this baby up. Alright, so it opens in front of me. Do you guys have any of these cards yourselves? If you guys have one of these RTX Insanity cards, let me know in the comments, by the way. I want to hear you guys out. This is a beef sandwich if I ever saw one. Alright, we got the classic installation guide here. What is this? Got a little sticker? I don't know what that is. I guess you put it on the card or something? We'll leave it in there just in case. This card is a monster. Look at the girth on this thing. Now that is some serious girth. I mean, like... Okay, anyways. Alright, we're gonna take it out of the... Does it bring any other cables? It doesn't bring any cables, unfortunately. No cables whatsoever. That's pretty much all she brings. Okay. Alright, so... I'm pretty grounded. Most of the time. It's got all the films on it. This is one hell of a card. I gotta be honest. Look at that. show you the back plating. This is an EVGA RTX 3070 Ti. Should we peel it? Almost got it in one shot. So there's still some pieces here. All right. It's got like a little cutaway for the all right, there we go. It's also got some protective film on the side. Let's not forget the EVGA section right here too. Nice. That's pretty much all she wrote. Let's get this baby installed, and I'll see you on stream.